Welcome back to another weekly episode of Layers of Peace Collage Art by Treva. This week's collage inspiration happened by serendipitous delight. I was going through some images in a stack of magazines that I had collected throughout the past few weeks, and I came across this magnetic image of this lady who is politely and pleasantly perched upon sacks of spices. Her facial expression, the way the light dances and makes her skin glow, and just the sheer giddiness of a giggle. I felt so inspired and compelled to make a collage with this particular image as a focal point. My cutting out process as a collage artist involves trimming away excess and then using specialty scissors to fine cut all around the minutia and minuscule details to really let the focal point, subject content, or any other added fillers to just bring out their true essence. My X-Acto knife is one of my favorite tools to use when I come across those areas in which my scissors can no longer easily trim the excess. An organizational strategy that I employ as a collage artist is to collect items by color. And as you can see inside of this folder, it has all things orange, yellow, and gold. So I'm on the hunt for additional visual intrigue. Now we've reached that part of the collage making process in which we can take a more in-depth look at all of the selected images. As you can see, I found a papaya that's already been cut out in the folder, as well as this mango. This mango was a very interesting find because it already had a shadow that I thought could play well with the actual collage. I was able to find 3 accent images that had the most incandescent appeal to them. I decided that ripped round shapes would really give the feeling and presence of light bursting in. There is a contagious joy and shimmer of light that is just so perfectly captured in the face of our subject content. So what I wanted to do was to find something that was reflecting light to just kind of put a play on the light that she's giving and also basking in to reflect even more so within the collage. Additionally to the papaya and the mango, I was able to find this lovely spread of peaches. And I thought, what another great way to just really showcase and highlight the colors alongside some marigold blooms. When it came to selecting potential background images, I wanted to play with scale, more specifically mountainscapes. I found 3 befitting choices that would serve as perfect perches for our subject focal point. At the image positioning part of the collage making process. This is the part of the process where you can move the images wherever you like. It's just like working out a puzzle or reading a map, so to speak. As you can see, I'm taking my time to just see where our subject content is most comfortably nestled in each of the mountainscapes. Here's a collage tip to utilize while positioning subject content within a collage. One thing that I've paid very close and specific attention to are the limbs and the seating position of our main content image. I'm using the direction of the way she's seated and her posture as guide to where it would look most natural for her to be perched within the mountainscape. We are now at the part of the collage making process where we can take each piece and layer them to see what new image we can create. And as you can see with background number 1, what really attracted me to this particular background is the hazy cast that you see all in the background of the lush green mountains and the snow-capped mountains. Background 2's Valley Village at the foot of the mountains offered a Gulliver's Travels vibe to it. And again, just like with background 1, I wanted to take my time and just explore every possibility. Background 3 offers a golden and cloudy autumn day. The color scheme of this image was a dream for a collage artist to work with. Just about every piece that I laid upon this background blended and worked beautifully. Here's a final look at all of the different versions of collage I was able to create with these mountainscapes. special thanks to all of you who have chosen to tune in for today's video. I do hope that you'll join me for next week, in which I'll be bringing in something new and fresh that has inspired me to create.